What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 956 Flips. Today is Monday. I'm gonna be heading out to Gamestop to go trade in some games. I don't know if you guys can see them. They're in that bag right there. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, I go to the pawn shop, flea markets, thrift stores, garage sales, pretty much anywhere I can go to pick up merchandise to flip and add to my collection. If that kind of content interests you, please hit that subscribe button. Those of you that are subscribed, appreciate you guys watching. Really need your help. If you can share, like, comment on these videos, it would help me out a ton. I want to blow up this channel. Let's get it going. I can make some great content for you guys. And let's go ahead and head out to Gamestop. It's about 30 minutes away. We're going to be going to the Gamestop in San Benny. So let's get started. Alright guys, on my way to Gamestop. I went ahead and stopped. I'm going to stop here at the Easy Pawn in San Benito, guys. Let's go see if there's anything in there. Alright, here we go. I'm just going to record a little bit as we walk in. I don't want to disturb the piece. Some games here. Check it out. Alright, here's the movies. Let's see. Here are the games. Oh, I got one game. Let's see, it was $2 for WWE, $2.16 for PS3. All right, here we are at GameStop. I'm a little early. My buddy told me 11:30. Anyways, here are the games that we're going to be trading in. So, if you watched one of my previous videos, you know that I picked all these up for a good price. They were about $2 a piece, and I've been trading them in to GameStop and other places. I also brought, I think it's, where is it? Oh yeah, here it is. And a couple of Grand Theft Auto 4s. So let's see how much we can get off of GameStop. Stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, success. I just traded in all the what I had left, Fallout 76. And I'm going to show you guys how much store credit each one was given and what I did to get that amount. So you can see there I traded in those Fallout 76 for $6.50. And the reason I got so much is because I pre-ordered Skyward Sword, so it bumped up my trade-in value. And then I bought these Nintendo Labo sets. I've never had one. I've always wanted to try it out. They were on clearance. Let me get one out so you guys can see it. Well, you can see it there. Yeah, it's the full game with it's a kit. It's got everything in it so you can start playing. And I think I did pretty good, man. I got right now I have, I think, left 300 and some. I am on my way to Brownsville to pick up an Animal Crossing Switch from GameStop. They're special editions, and I've been picking them up whenever I can. So yeah, guys, that's how I did it. I got my $6.50 trade-in on each one of those Fallout 76. I appreciate you guys watching. If you can, you know, share this video with your family and friends. It would help my channel out a lot, and I'll bring more great content if we get a ton more subscribers. Catch you soon.